Hello everyone, I am Bhumika Patil and I am here to explain Torricelli's law. So before going towards the theoretical proof of Torricelli's law, let's see practical demonstration. So for this experiment we have needed one container filled with fluid, and here I have taken one bottle filled with water and I have made two holes in it. Here is hole 1 and here is hole 2. Let's consider the height of these holes from the liquid surface. Therefore, height of hole 1 is greater than height of hole 2. That is h1 greater than h2. So let's unpin these holes. Here I have unpinned the hole 1 and hole 2. What we have concluded from it is the distance traveled by the fluid from hole 1 is greater than the distance traveled by the fluid from hole 2. So by the observation we got that water from hole 1 and 2 traveling different distances in same time. So we can say that the velocities are different and velocity of the water from hole 2 is less than velocity of the water from hole 1. So from this we concluded that as the height of the hole from the liquid surface increases, the velocity of the fluid flowing from the hole is also increases, and we have to prove the same in the theoretical proof.
Okay, so let's move further towards the theoretical proof of the Torricelli's law. So V equals to under root 2gh is the mathematical expression of Torricelli's law, where V is the velocity of the fluid from the hole, g is acceleration due to gravity, and h is height of the hole from the surface of the liquid. So practically we got the relation that as we increase the height of the hole from liquid surface, then velocity of the fluid from that hole is also increases. So we have to prove the same theoretically. So here is one note, that is Torricelli's law is the special case of Bernoulli's theorem. So we can prove the mathematical expression of Torricelli's law with the help of Bernoulli's theorem. Let's see the Bernoulli's theorem. Bernoulli's theorem is nothing but V square upon 2 plus Gy plus pressure upon density equals to constant. Let's consider one vessel is there and one hole in it. Here is the liquid surface and its height is h from bottom. This is fluid flowing from the hole. Its height is h dash from bottom, and from liquid surface it is h. From this relation we are getting that h equals to h plus h dash. Therefore h equals to h minus h dash. So let's consider 2 points. This is point 1 and this point 2, and we have to apply the Bernoulli's theorem at this point 2, at these 2 points. This is point 1 and 2. So let's apply it at point 1. So at point 1 Bernoulli's theorem will be V1 square upon 2 plus Gy1 plus P1 upon density equals to constant. Now here the area of the hole is very small as compared to the area of the vessel. So we can consider the velocity of the fluid at this point 1 is 0. So V1 equals to 0. From the figure we got that Y1 equals to capital H, and at this point the pressure is just because of atmosphere. So we can write that pressure at point 1 equals to atmospheric pressure. So let's put that in the equation. So this term will be 0 plus GH plus atmospheric pressure upon rho equals to constant. This is equation number 1. Let's apply Bernoulli's theorem at point 2. At point 2 V2 square upon 2 plus Gy2 plus P2 upon density equals to constant. So at this point Y2 equals to H dash, and at this point also pressure is because of atmosphere, as this is the other end of the hole is in atmosphere. So we can write P2 equals to P. So put it in. So V2 square upon 2, where V2 is the velocity of the fluid from the hole, plus GH dash plus atmospheric pressure upon density equals to constant. So we can compare equation 1 and 2 as its RHS are same. So GH plus atmospheric pressure upon rho equals to V2 square upon 2 plus GH dash plus atmospheric pressure upon rho. So we can cancel these two terms from both sides. So remaining is V2 square upon 2 equals to GH minus GH dash. Let's common out this acceleration due to gravity, H minus H dash. So from here we got that H equals to H minus H dash. So V2 square equals to 2GH. So V2 equals to under root 2GH, where V2 is the velocity from the hole. And here we got the relation, which is nothing but the mathematical expression of Torricelli's law with the help of Bernoulli's theorem.